Why are you still letting a bank decide when you can access your own money in 2026? What is up, everyone? Welcome back to tokns.fi. Today, we are stripping away the complexity and getting DeFi explained simply. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to move your financial life from a legacy bank to a decentralized protocol. At tokens.fi and coherencedaddy.com, we live and breathe the blockchain evolution, from Bitcoin to the cutting-edge TX ecosystem. What is DeFi actually? DeFi, or decentralized finance, is essentially a financial system without the middleman. In the old world, banks act as the gatekeepers for loans, savings, and trading. In DeFi, we replace those banks with smart contracts, self-executing code that lives on the blockchain. Imagine a vending machine. You put in the input, and you get the output automatically, without needing a manager to approve the transaction. How it works: lending and borrowing. In a traditional bank, you deposit money, they lend it to others, and you get a tiny fraction of the interest. In DeFi, you provide liquidity directly to a pool. Other users borrow from that pool, and the interest goes directly back to you, the provider. This peer-to-peer model is what makes the TX ecosystem so powerful for yield generation in 2026. DEXs, trading without permission. Then we have decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. Unlike a centralized exchange, a DEX doesn't require a KYC form or an account manager. You swap tokens instantly using automated market makers, which use mathematical formulas to set prices. It's permissionless, transparent, and operates 24/7, regardless of what the traditional markets are doing. The risks in the future. Now, it's not all sunshine, because there's no help desk. You are your own bank. Smart contract bugs or rug pulls are real risks, which is why auditing is crucial. However, as we move further into 2026, the integration of the TX ecosystem is making these tools more secure and accessible. The goal isn't just to replace banks, but to create a financial layer that is open to everyone on Earth. DeFi replaces banks with smart contracts. You can earn higher yields through lending and trade permissionlessly via DEXs. Security and self-custody are the most important rules to follow. The financial revolution isn't coming, it's already here in 2026. The only question is, are you still waiting for a bank's permission? If this helped you understand DeFi, hit that subscribe button and join the tokens.fi community. Smash the like button if you're ready to exit the legacy banking system. Comment TX below if you're already exploring the TX ecosystem.